Hey everybody out there, this is Uncle Nick, and for all of my followers and watchers, like, I don't know, Magnus and maybe Harry and I don't know, possibly Imogen and Keegan, maybe Gretchen, we don't know. What I have here for you today is a box, and you guys can see the box top there. Is that coming in clearly? And I'm going to do a reveal here, and we're going to reveal the top. As you can tell, the cellophane is already off. And what is it? Oh, snap! That's Pokemon TCG trading card game. Pretty awesome, pretty awesome. I got this in the mail today. Extremely excited. I already cut the cellophane off. I threw it in the trash, which is what you should do with your trash. And I just want to give you guys a sneak peek here. Slow reveal, slow reveal, slow reveal, slow reveal. Oh no. Cha. And there's a pack here. There's a pack there. There's packs behind there. There's packs behind there. And more packs we can fan out and look at. And this is just my first video to give you guys an idea. So I'm gonna try this and see what it's like. Mila's sitting here with me. Say hi, Mila.
Hi.
That sounds like Matthew, but it was Mila. So I'm gonna grab one here. The third pack on the right side for me, maybe left side for you. And this is the first Pokemon pack that I've ever opened, so extremely excited. I'm going to use a knife here to show Scarlet and Violet. I have no idea what that means. No idea at all. And I'm going to go to the back, but I have opened a lot of baseball card packs in my life. Lots of them. So I know how to do that part. I'm just going to go to the back and I'm going to nudge this open, potentially rip it open, potentially guide it open, and let's see what kind of pull I can get from this. I see a little gap forming there. See the gap? See the gap? I don't have any thick cards, which means I don't have any signature cards. All I'm hoping for is that the backs of these look like the backs of the rest of those cards. And let's just do a little reveal. Oh, they do. That's exactly like the cards that I have, which that makes me super excited. Super excited. Super, because now we can play the game. All right, so let's go to the front and see. Mila, can you take a look at how this video is looking?
It's fine.
Looking fine.
Should scoot it closer.
Scoot it closer. Okay. Is that
Yeah,
good?
it's good.
All right, we got ourselves Flittle. That's a basic 30 HPs, and he can ram.
Bought a bunch of more packs.
And I have no idea what this purple eye means. That is an energy I don't have much of.
Where'd you get these?
Which I don't really want. So I may not want any more of these packs. Then we've got Drowsy, another basic. Forced Sleep, Gentle Slap. No active abilities or anything for him. Oh, Fire, yes. Yes. Yes, I like that. I noticed one thing here is these have the silver rim around them, not the yellow rim. So apparently I bought the wrong pack. It's not exactly what I wanted. But still, that right there can go pretty good with what I already have. So Ferrucci, oh my gosh, there's a foil in there. A foil. Oh, I can see it. We'll get to it. A trainer. Nemona. Draw 3 cards. That's nice. Drawing 3 cards is, I think, a very important part of my game. And I'll be using that to beat you guys. I got a stage 1 here. Evolves from Fluenco. Oh, look at that. That's great. I got the basic and the evolution all in the same pack. We got this guy. Let's evolve him. Bite and Rolling Thunder. Shebang. And then we got more Purple Eye. Evolves from Floetta. I don't have a Floetta. This is, I don't know that energy. I don't have many of those. Mulk, looking to trade this. If anyone's looking to receive, I'm looking to trade that. I got a trainer. This one's a little shiny. I think that means it's worth $20 probably, $30. Mother's shaking her head. She thinks it's maybe $50. Discard your hand and draw 7 cards. I know that. It's a very popular supporter. Professor's Research with a lady on it. Defiance Band. Oh, nice. A Pokemon tool. A tool there. If you attach this and it's an ancient Pokemon, you can do a little bit more boost and damage. And oh, a reveal here. Reveal on the shiny, super shiny. Cloth. Cloth, a basic. But it's the earth, and I don't use a lot of that earth. So another one that I'm looking to trade or get rid of. And then an energy, metal energy. I got a bunch of them. I don't need any more. That's it for my first video. Don't forget, click the like and subscribe if you enjoy it. If you feel like sending me $5, I can buy more packs and unveil them for you. I think that's just as good as you going out and buying your own pack. So just send me the money. It'll be fine. And we'll see you soon. Like and subscribe. Smash that button.